hurry up.
Bro. Ooh, let me check this weather real quick. It's gonna be raining like all day. Oh no, let me go tell Ivory.
Yes, Mama. What you doing?
It's gonna be raining all day. I think the power gonna go out.
Oh. All day?
I might have to run to the store and get some flashlights or something.
Okay, Mama, be safe.
Okay, alright, bye.
Okay, bye, Mama. Okay, y'all kids, Grandma's better go somewhere.
Bye,
Okay.
Grandmama.
Just make my bed. Okay, I'm finna set the alarm time to 7 o'clock because that's when you'll need to get up. Jesus.
Wait, y'all
see the TV?
I told y'all about this,
I'm not staying in the house. All right, not, Belly. You want to get electrocuted?
Candles. Don't even worry about it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Do not put no candles nowhere.
They got me cleaning down here in this basement like I'm some type of maid. Like, I'm finna go back up there.
So like, what happened?
Why did the power go out? Hold on, wait.
I'm hungry.
Like, what's going on? Guys?
How did you get back up here?
Guys? Guys, what just happened? Why is the power
Didn't you be
out?
stuck in the basement?
Bro, you worried about the wrong thing. Why is the power out? Why is the power out?
Maybe because the thunder.
What you mean?
The power line.
Oh my god. Why is it raining like this?
Dang, they gonna knock the trees down.
Like, for real.
Get that candle out of here.
Oh my gosh, can y'all please tell Grandma to stop being old?
For real, this is not the 1800s. Man, we moved to 2026. Move on.
We need a lantern.
Where is Grandma Lou?
Grandma Lulu, we do not need your lantern, though.
Yeah,
Your lantern is old and rusty.
Look at that. You're making everything yellow.
Yeah, this power just went out, and my grandkids is really getting on my last nerve. This power need to hurry up and come back, like, immediately, like, right now. They irritating me so bad. I'm not even your grandchild. I'm your daughter.
You want some cookies?
Both of y'all.
Grandma, you want some
I am your child, not your grandma.
It really couldn't have been that bad. It must have just been going crazy. But I'm finna go see. Wait, let me get my umbrella. Boom. Okay. Oh my gosh, why is it raining like this out here? Like, the pool, our stuff. Why? Oh my god. Me.
Man, I can't believe that power went out. I'm just gonna keep eating like always. Oops. Oh well. I guess I'm ready for bed.
Bro, I still cannot believe our power just went out like that. But it's okay. Because when we wake up, I hope it's gonna come back on for the people and us too. But I'm gonna go to bed for now.